Hey, welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. I have decided to create a blues progression series. In those series, I'm going to highlight some really cool blues progressions that are a little bit more creative than your normal 12-bar blues, maybe a little bit more challenging for you, but it's going to teach you how to play different chords in a 12-bar blues progression or a blues shuffle, and also some new fingerings, and maybe just kind of highlight certain notes as you play rhythm. So it's going to take the rhythm playing a step up. So let's go have a look at the first blues progression. So this one is called Walking Blues, and the blues is by Colin James. I put a link to the video on YouTube in my description. Have a look and check it out. I'm going to be playing a demo over a blues progression by Quist. I'm also putting a link to Quist's YouTube video of that particular blues progression. In my case, I was able to speed up that blues progression a little bit. So when you listen to Quist's version, it's going to be a little slower, which is probably better for you as you learn. I just wanted to keep the tempo sort of to the original Colin James tune. Let's go and listen to the demo. First part would be with the ring finger, slide to the 3rd fret on the E string, okay? Open D, 3rd fret D, open D again, 2nd fret D, open D again, then the 1st fret A. So that's the whole progression. You could just play that over and over. However, there's a couple of variations, okay? So in the song, there's 4 bars of this G chord, G blues, where you play. The second time, when you play, second time you go. Okay? So you go to open D again, and then with your ring finger bar, all 3 D, G, and B, and play that. Then it goes right back into the normal one. Those 4 bars have been completed, and now we're going to D. And basically the same as we just did up here. The D, the G, the B. Then comes the turnaround, okay? Starts over again, okay? It starts again. And so on and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this little walking blues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.